The top 10 spicy dip burgers, let's go. Number 10, Hungry Adams in Odom, where you can also get a barbecue spicy dip. Number 9 is HFC. Everyone knows who these guys are. Number 8 is Lucky's, and if you're feeling extra brave, they also do a spicy beef burger dip. Number 7 is Three Brothers in Manchester. They use a slightly different spice to most other places, which sets it apart. Number 6 is the infamous Miami Crispy. Into the top 5, and we're in Sheffield. Mason de Burgers is an all-round class establishment and happen to do a great spicy dip burger. Believe it or not, but the Manchester craze made it all the way to London at Smash and Slide. It's very decent in 4th place. Into the top 3, and it's Waffle in Liverpool. What makes this great is the fact that the chicken fillet itself is super high quality. Number 2, we're in Rochdale at the Viral Crave Corner. You will not find a crispier spicy dip burger than this place. It's top draw. And at number 1 for all round quality and price, it's Havana. They do not just one but 2 different